3, 2, 1.
What type of motion only occurs when there is one force applied at the beginning of the trajectory after which there is no interference apart from gravity? The answer is D. Projectile. Ricky Ricardo from the TV series I Love Lucy works in which nightclub? The answer is D. Tropicana. How many of Reba Enterprises staff are located at the Newcastle office? The answer is A. 180. There is hardly anyone who has not heard the fairy tale of Snow White. Who was it written by? The answer is A. Brothers Grimm. What may happen on Friday? The answer is B. Someone may get sweaty. How many members are on Northwestern's Board of Trustees? The answer is D. 70. During the typical human female ovulation cycles, how many eggs are released? The answer is D. 1. What job does Jake LaMotta take on after he retires from boxing? The answer is B. Stand-up comedian and nightclub owner. From what year was Greece's levels of GDP growth above the Eurozone average? The answer is D. 2000. What term refers to the group of Malay gunmen in the Darfur region of Sudan thought responsible for the serial massacre, rape and forced displacement in 1990 and 2001 to 2005? The answer is D. Janjaweed. In which year did all of the following occur? QE2 arrives in New York on her maiden voyage, the Cray twins were jailed for life, and Boeing 747 makes its first test flight. The answer is A. 1969. When did Robert Koch discover the yellow fever virus? The answer is C. 1901. Keep cake warm and fresh for a party. How would you do this? The answer is A. Store in a microwave. What ideology does the narrator seem to be espousing? The answer is B. They seem to be progressive. In what year is the Urban Forest Initiative expected to meet its goal? The answer is C. 2030. What animal is depicted in Leonardo da Vinci's of Cecilia Gallerai from around 1180 to 1190? The answer is B. Ermine. What movie title was translated in Italy as Four Bastards for a Room in Hell? The answer is A. Shark. What type of invertebrates were the earliest animals? The answer is B. Aquatic invertebrates. In the sitcom The Mary Tyler Moore Show, what was the name of the station where Mary worked? The answer is A. WJM-TV. to increase the speed of fraying for the denim frayed lap quilt. How would you do this? The answer is A. Put the quilt through the dryer several times. What could the narrator do for work? The answer is D. She is a special education instructor. Light with the shortest wavelength appears as what color? The answer is B. Violet. What is the square root of 441? The answer is D. 21. In Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, what is the name of the group formed by Harry, Ron, and Hermione? The answer is A. Dumbledore's Army. Which president, who resided in Blair House during renovations to the White House, commuted the death sentence of the man convicted of plotting to assassinate him? The answer is B. Harry S. Truman. In which of these conditions could one most likely skid off the road? The answer is C. Driving on an icy day. How do I update my resume? How would you do this? The answer is A. Change your recent jobs and add new emojis. What year was the first HD video conferencing system displayed? The answer is A. 2005. Keep rocks and twigs out of shoes during hike. How would you do this? The answer is A. Take top of shoe to ankle with scotch tape. Which actor starred in the TV series Night Court as Ass? D.A. Dan Fielding? The answer is D. John Larroquette. Two parent butterflies with normal wings have offspring with altered wing shapes. What most likely caused this change? The answer is D. A genetic mutation. In what year was the Friars water supply system built in Southampton? The answer is D. 1290. In which 1990s TV series did Twiggy appear? The answer is D. Princesses. How can I remove snow from my car without a snow brush? How would you do this? The answer is A. Use a broom to sweep away snow on car. What actor delivered this roguish line in a noted Civil War movie that premiered in 1939? And you, miss, are no lady. The answer is B. Clark Gable. Who is the first president of the Independent Republic of the Philippines? The answer is C. Manuel Roxas. An individual wearing a protective mask welds something on a table. The individual stops welding and puts the tool down. The individual, what happens next? The answer is B. Moves toward and reaches for the camera. What name did Ben Stiller and his wife Christine Taylor give to their firstborn child? The answer is A. Ella. When was Cornelius Clifford born? The answer is C. 296. What are the names of Lady Diana and Prince Charles' sons? The answer is A. William and Harry. In which year was the euro introduced, the films Saving Private Ryan appear, and President Clinton accused of perjury? The answer is A. 1998. Suppose the number of neutrons in a reactor that is starting up doubles each minute, reaching 1 billion neutrons in 10 minutes. When did the number of neutrons reach half a billion? The answer is D. 9 minutes. What was the predominant climate type of the late Cretaceous period? The answer is C. Tropical. What may have happened at the restaurant? The answer is D. They were attempting to use a fake ID. Which disease is correctly paired with the cause of the disease? The answer is A. Athlete's foot fungi. Why did the girl smile when the writer told her he liked her? The answer is C. Because the girl likes the writer as well. What is the deepest lake in the world? The answer is B. Baikal. When did the nation not re-establish itself? The answer is B. 1261. What year was the India Gate built? The answer is C. 1931. If none of Parliament agrees to the general principles of the bill, it proceeds to what stage?